can't believe I ruined this shirt, Mom.
That was funny. How was that good? See, that was still the good old days, Gary.
I'm telling you, man. Greg, you gotta start filming.
Everything's
Everything's going on.
now I can
It's just so much fun.
Not here, though.
I had to wait till the next day.
Was it?
Yeah, this one got blacked out. It came, you know.
I bet you $100.
I gotta use it now.
I doubt it, Mom. Yeah, that's good.
All right, if he gets nominated, you got to go with him to California then.
Yeah.
Me on a plane, no. Greg, do you ever plan on go back to Florida? I mean, California. You got to give a little, get a little, Florida.
Go, what's Derek?
Derek.
Sam. Can go.
Sam.
What's Derek?
Sam.
Sam.
Well, I think my wife should go.
I'll go with you.
Yeah.
What's next?
What are you drinking, wine now, Pops?
Put it
Yeah, a little bit. It's part of the diet.
Ah.
Oh, were you
I
watching the
lose
video?
weight. Look at it.
What are we watching?
I lost another pound.
Donna, what's next?
Donna.
3 drinks a week, give you kids.
Everybody, you go buy
I'm telling you, if you put that on YouTube, you'd be a millionaire.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, it'd be all over
You
TV.
were really into that.
Yeah.
Danny, Julie, look at that baby that
Tell me what TVs I was down the Venerable Walk when I went there. I was down there for 3 hours.
See, those are the days when you could do that
and not get a seaweed.
You know, whatever you want. There's no seaweed back there.
You want to watch? You want to watch?
They used to take a seat from the wood. I told me off. Every time I was falling, I came over and see with
How much was yours? Is it monkey dance on there?
No.
Well,
I used to go out, explore.
You'll throw without the monkey
You can
dance.
have people to watch the videos.
It's all to get for my mother.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Go, Mom. Where's the money?
You'd be on Movie Central. They would put that on that
But he has to wear
Thank
sex.
you, Donna. That's up to my husband. He has to crazy before he
I did say America's Funniest Videos.
Go back and do it again. I know. Yeah. Believe me, I know.
That parrot looked.
I was in that bed when we got the bed
And if you went over, you touched Patrick, Patrick, come out of the cage and walked with it and attacked you. To put it on.
Bombs. Couldn't even drive it.
You could probably still do it.
You take one eye and keep it closed and so you can see the line on the road.
Uncle Dan, I'm going to put you to work. How about that?
Put me to work.
Danny.
Make some money off you.
If he puts
Some moves.
Did you
I
copy
already
it?
worked that room, didn't I?
No, I have it, Mom.
Took 2 bottles of freaking
I have to edit it.
bikinis to get me to do it.
Danny, go on YouTube. We'll make money.
I thought he copied it.
No,
Well, we're gonna put Dan Spencer do transvestite or something,
I
don't
won't do
they?
that. I won't do that.
No, brother's
I
party.
won't do that. It's just man dresses in drag.
Confused man on his party.
What are you laughing about, woman? You married me.
I'm laughing about that.
Mom, you raised him.
Man thought he was a stripper.
But I won't do that if it embarrasses you. I won't do it.
That wouldn't embarrass me. I think that was a...
That would embarrass you. How about me?
I don't know you.
I had everybody down to Falls, bring my Falls, and Judy gave out the videos,
That's why I
remember?
didn't actually send it in, because of
Judy
that
gave out
incident.
distributors those things.
And I did not put...
I had everybody ranking on me for the
I was
longest
going to send
time.
it in to the video
Make
clip,
a
but
fun
I
of
didn't
it.
do it.
What? How'd they find out?
Judy made comments that distributed them.
Judy, your daughter, that angel of yours.
It'll be on YouTube tomorrow if Judy gets
Every
it.
4 hour one, they all started walking and started laughing at me.
How did she copy it?
I don't know, she did.
And she put it on in the bar?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I wasn't going out those days. I was.
Yeah.
I didn't know what she did. He got upset, so I didn't do anything with it. So that's why it was never publicized at the American.
I bet you I only had one take. I got the tape.
I'm having problems here.
You don't want Bob Saget making funny on American
No.
Funny? I'll kill you, Bob.
What'd you do, camcorder on your phone or something?
That's why I was going to send it in when I made the whole thing, but I couldn't do it.
I don't think I'd win anything. That's
No, you don't win.
the family
It's
thing.
YouTube. The more hits you get, the more money you get.
Now we know we have a bra collection.
Where'd you get the clothes anyhow?
Okay.
Donna, well, now what you got on?
The guy thought...
The hell you got on?
The guy was the stupidest stripper in the world. He looked at me and said, okay, I cut your legs. He goes on in a wheelchair and really thought I was crippled. You know,